Hello, 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 everybody. I am Monique Gordon from MoneyMo Empire. Yes, the owner of MoneyMo Empire LLC. I am here to give you a little bit of information about the process of filing taxes. So if you have not filed your taxes, this video is for you. If you have filed your taxes, this video is for you, and you will see why. So let's talk about the key ingredient, the main component to filing taxes for your benefit, okay? And that key component is bookkeeping, okay? Bookkeeping. Now let's talk about it. When it comes to bookkeeping, bookkeeping is very important because it allows you to see how you have been living your life throughout that year that you are filing taxes for. All right. So, how do you know how you have been doing throughout the year? How do you know what to adjust? How do you know what to add? How do you know what to forecast? How do you know what you actually look like? How can you get a snapshot of what you look like in the month of June, in the month of April, in the month of November? How you looked semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, daily? How can you know if you do not have a bookkeeper? Keeping those Zelle transactions and the Cash App transactions does not cut it. Having your bank statements does not cut it, because at the end of the day, all of those transactions has to be classified. And once they're classified, you have to reconcile. And once they're reconciled, then you can get ding, 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 your financial statements, your statement of cash flows, your statement of retained earnings, your income statement or profit and loss statement, your balance sheet. The financial statements are what you need to then file the taxes. Now, let me specify who specifically I'm talking about and talking to in this moment. My business owners out there, business owners, if you are not ending the year with your financial statements, you are not benefiting from being a business owner. Without those business statements and those financial statements, how can you maximize your deduction at tax time? How can you get the write-offs that you need at tax time? Let me tell you about the benefits of having tax deductions, write-offs. You end a year with taxable income. This taxable income determines how much you will be taxed, depending on what's going to be added to it or what's going to be subtracted from it. We're working towards getting subtractions. Why? The more you can decrease that taxable income, the more of a tax refund or a tax return you can receive. But if you don't have your financial statements, how does the tax preparer know how to maximize your deductions? They don't have time to do the monthly bookkeeping throughout the year, to do the reconciliations, to then get you your financial statements, to then maximize those deductions for you. They don't have the time. They are swamped with all these people trying to file taxes. So if you don't have your monthly bookkeeping systems in place, my friend, you are not maximizing the benefits of filing taxes. So if you do not have financial statements at the end of the year, contact us. If you are operating QuickBooks, but you are not classifying your transactions properly with the correct accounting terms, if you are not reconciling your accounts at the end of the month, or if you are not receiving your balance sheet, your financial statements, so your balance sheet, your income statement, if you are not receiving these statements, at least those two, or at least an income statement, you need to get you a bookkeeper. Any $1 million firm, multi-million-dollar firm, billionaires, they will tell you we have bookkeepers because they are the ones that help us to be profitable, okay? They help you grow. They help you scale. They help you foresee into what's going to happen with your business based on what's going on in the economy. They help you prepare for what you need to adjust, what you need to take off, put on, okay? Subtract, add, what you need to change within your business throughout the year so that you can have favorable tax benefits. Okay. So again, if you do not have a bookkeeper and you do not have the proper bookkeeping systems in place, please reach out to us so we can assist you and help you live the best financial life there is to live. Now, my individuals, those who do not have a registered business, but you do have a hobby that you're making money from, you need to establish that hobby as your business, as your next stream of income and revenue, so that you can benefit from having a business, from being a business owner. Let me tell you why you will benefit from having a business. One, back in 2017, when they had the tax cuts while Trump was in office, guess what was taken away from the tax return? Remember when you went to file taxes in 2018 and how short the income tax return was? That's because we had tax cuts. What was taken away from filing taxes? Personal exemptions. Because personal exemptions were taken away, we were not able to itemize deductions as a person or an individual no longer. But guess who can benefit from those exemptions because they are an LLC or an S Corp or a sole proprietor? Business owners. Having a business registered is the best way to get those things that you used to claim as those personal exemptions that you used to itemize. Having a business is the best way to reclaim those deductions, hence having those write-offs to bring down your taxable income to increase your tax refund. So if you have a business and you need to establish it and be an actual established business owner, reach out to us. We have classes that we teach. Business ownership, where to begin. Business ownership, the next level. So we have business ownership classes that will show you the steps to take to get you to the place to be an established business owner and how to get from one level to the next. Reach out to us. Individuals who do not have a business at all, if you want to have a business, reach out to me for the business ownership courses. Now, those who are not interested in business at all, but you are an individual and you feel like none of this stuff applies to you, guess what? Having a bookkeeper will allow you to have comprehensive budgets. If you have a comprehensive budget, you will be able to live your life in a way that you are maximizing on your money. It allows you to allocate your money to the right vehicles, to the right things, so that you can live a life of wealth. Do you have a retirement plan? Do you have an investment plan? Do you have an income tax planning plan? Do you have, what else is out there that you can do? Do you have a risk mitigation plan? Insurance. Having insurance, oh my God, there's so much wealth in insurance and so many people run from insurance. Why? There is so much wealth in having insurance. But guess what? Do you have plans for your money going into these avenues? Do you have plans for your money? Are you ready for retirement when your retirement age comes? Will you have enough money to even replace the income that you were making before? To not work for the next 30, 40, 50 years of your life? Can you retire early? Do you have what plans, what financial plans do you have in place? If you don't have any, you need a bookkeeper. Okay? So then that way we can create money pockets for you to be able to start having those plans that will allow you to live a life of wealth. But if you don't have a plan in place, how are you going to live wealthy? How are you going to get to a place of wealth? You're not even going to be able to get the wealth, to accumulate it and stack up on it, and then create generational wealth. What are you doing? Listen, reach out to us, reach out to me. We are here to help you. And if you are very interested in this information, let me know. I can go live so you can ask me questions in real time and answer them on spot. And again, if I don't know the answers, I will refer you to the resource that does. So you will get what you need regardless. So listen, MoneyMo Empire is here to help you. If you do not have a bookkeeper, reach out to us. Monthly bookkeepers are necessary, okay? Reach out to us, reach out to me. We will get you set up and get you ready to live in the best financial life that you can live. Let's get that wealth, y'all. It's out there. Let's get it. Bye. All the information is in the description. Reach out. We're here for you. Bye.